Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. This is a different type of video. I haven't done one of these for quite a while. It is a FabFitFun unboxing. I got suckered into the starter box, which they were offering for $5. If somebody else you knew had it, they could get it for $5 shipping, and then you had like so many days to cancel once you ordered it. Well, they did not send it until the day that they charged me for the full-size box, and I forgot because I was waiting for a shipping confirmation, so I'd be like, okay, it's shipped, now I'm going to cancel it. No, so I didn't even get this box before they charged me for the next box, which I think is pretty shitty. And I felt like a bait and switch, like, oh yeah, here's your $5 box to see if you want to get it, but we're not going to send it out till we charge you the $50, which I was not budgeting for. So I do have the winter box as well, and as soon as they charged me for it, I promptly went in and canceled because this is $50 every quarter, and that's a little more than I am willing to spend. But I wanted the $5 box. In this $5 box, and I'm not lifting it because I'm still injured, the first thing in here is from Ahava. This is their Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I love their hand creams. They are really moisturizing, and I use them whenever I find them in boxes. I get them. I have not bought any of them because they're so expensive though, because that retails for $33. Next in here is from Spongel. It is the Body Wash Infused Buffer in Freesia. That is what it looks like. I just got one of these in my Pop Sugar box as well, so they seem to be making the rounds. This retails for $16, so it's a little cheaper than the other one. Next in here is Free People with Love from Texas. It is a travel eye mask. It's pretty heavy. Wow. Oh, you can take out... There's an insert in here that you can put in the refrigerator. That's kind of cool. I didn't realize that. So that is nice. And it has vegan leather. It retails for $40. I like it, but I don't like it $40 worth. That's more than I would spend. And then the last thing in here is from Summer and Rose. And it's a tote. And this retails for $54. This is why I don't get it, because the prices in here always seem so expensive, like way more than I would pay for something. Like, I would not pay $54 for this. I mean, it's a nice size tote, but it does not feel like $54 worth of quality. Now, do I think this box was worth the $5? Oh, definitely, and I'm excited about that. I had no idea what would be in the $5 box, but I thought it was worth trying to get. I am upset that I got this next box. Kind of, but I looked at it and I'm not that bad. The first thing in here is you get a little booklet, and it tells you, it has a whole bunch of stuff in it and everything. And then somewhere in here they should tell you what the price is of everything that you got. Oh, it's on the second page. So in here, the first thing that I'm pulling out is a throw that you can also use like as a scarf, I guess. It's a pretty nice, it's pretty nice. I'm not going to open it because I can't like hold it up big enough to show you because of my arm. I did get the gray color though, which I'm happy about because I saw some people got like a tan one, and I'm not really a tan person, so I probably would not have worn that. So that's the first thing I got in there. That retails for $49, which I'm sorry, I would not pay $49 for that. That's a lot of money. Next up is from Bear Paw, and it's a headband, fleece-lined headband, which is really cute. I do like that. And then some gloves that are the ones with the, you can put over your fingers. And I'm not going to wear these right now because I don't have scissors with me to undo them. This is like the worst unboxing. I'm sorry, guys. But that is the next thing I got. This retails for $45, which I don't know. Maybe it's just because I buy all my stuff at like TJ Maxx or I get stuff at Target. It seems like a lot. And I know that's the Skechers brand. Bear Paw is a Skechers, isn't it? Maybe not. No, that's something different. Never mind. Ignore me. Or the other thing you could have gotten was a hair mask for $49, and I definitely don't need a hair mask, so I'm happy with that. The next thing in here, I got the necklace, and this is from Lily Sandugi, and it is a silver necklace, which I was just talking about in my Pop Sugar that I don't have a lot of silver, so that's kind of nice. This is supposed to retail for $49, which seems like a lot of money, but it's pretty nice. The little packaging it came in was kind of cheap. I liked the Pop Sugar a little bit more. The other things you could have gotten were an Orbe dry shampoo, which I don't use that, but it retails for $44, which is insane to me. And then a Halston jewelry portfolio, which I would have actually really liked for traveling. The next thing in here is from Pure. It is the Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. This retails for $36. And the other alternatives were a jade roller for $45 or some socks for $24, which that seems lame. That is what it looks like. Those are so pretty. And I'm actually wearing Pure eyeshadows today. I'm wearing the Grinch palette, which I'm having fun with it. Those colors are so pretty. I actually really like my Pure eyeshadows that I have. I just sometimes forget to use them. So this, I'm excited to add to my collection. Like, I think they have a really nice formula, so I'm excited about that. Next up is from Bite Beauty. It is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. This retails for $26. The other things you could have gotten were some coasters that look like little pieces of wood, or Brooke Burke body sliders. Like, I think those are those exercise things that you like use. Ow. I should not have moved my arm that much. Oh, this is a really pretty color. I love the scent of Bite Beauty. I don't know why I never like reach for their lipsticks, but that is a really pretty color. It's a peachy nude, which is what I like to wear. So, all right, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. The next thing in here is from Anthropologie. It is Mercy and Co. It is a body cream and sugar or coconut sugar. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, hard to open, but that's also because I'm injured, so. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells very beachy. Kind of like a sea beachy scent, so. Not really like the best for the winter, middle of winter, but I'm liking it. The other thing you could have gotten were some essential oils, which are not what I like because I have so many allergies. So this one is good, $24. Next in here is from Ahava. It is a hydration cream mask. I really don't need any hydration because I have oily skin, but this retails for $33, so that probably will be going in a future giveaway. Next up is from Thrive Cosmetics. So they have a little play on words. They have a cause attached to them. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener and Stella. Trying to open it. That is what it looks like. This is probably not something that I would wear, so I'm going to actually put this in a future giveaway as well. And then the box just fell over. The last thing in here is from Black. It is eye masks, and they are under eye masks that retail for $29 for 5 of them. So that is all of my regular FabFitFun. I think it was actually probably a pretty good value for $49. It's just, I don't want to have that coming out every few months and not remember it because it's not every month. and that's kind of hard to budget for. But I do think it's good. Like under eye masks, I think I'm excited to try those. I'm liking the body cream. Like that's always something that I will use. These two are not something I will use, but I can give those away pretty easily. I'm glad with the variations for the most part. I like the color of this. I like this. I would not be able to use the hair mask, so they did a good job with that. Dry shampoo I don't use, so I'm glad I didn't get that. The eyeshadow palette, I always love eyeshadow palettes. The jewelry, I actually really like the lipstick color, so overall I'm pretty impressed with this box for $49. I am glad that I remembered to cancel it right away because I probably should like cut down on my consumption of stuff, but it's so much fun, so you always want to do stuff. Let me know what your thoughts were on this box. Do you get FabFitFun? Have you been interested in getting FabFitFun? Let me know. I love hearing your thoughts and opinions. I hope you are all having a fantastic day and a great holiday season, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.